What's up, crypto crew? It's Mr. DGM Creations here, and today we're diving deep into the world of building a profitable crypto portfolio. Forget ramen noodles, we're talking about stacking those digital coins and making some serious gains. But first, smash that like button and subscribe if you want more videos on how to become a crypto kingpin. Let's go! Alright, before we start throwing money at every shiny coin, we need a game plan. Building a crypto portfolio is like assembling a superhero team. You need the right mix of players to conquer the market. We'll cover everything from setting goals and diversifying your assets to staying updated on the latest crypto news and mastering the art of risk management. First things first, what's your mission? Are you in it for the long haul like a wise old Bitcoin sage, or are you looking for quick gains like a lightning-fast altcoin ninja? Knowing your goals will help you choose the right cryptocurrencies and strategies. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio with a mix of blue-chip cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, promising altcoins like Cardano and Solana, and even a sprinkle of meme coins for some speculative fun. Think of it as building a balanced breakfast for your investments. You need a bit of everything to stay energized. The crypto world moves faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. Stay updated on the latest news, from Bitcoin ETF approvals to Elon Musk's latest tweets. Knowing what's happening will help you make informed decisions and avoid getting caught off guard. Crypto can be a roller coaster ride with thrilling highs and stomach-churning lows. Understand the risks involved and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance. Remember, high rewards often come with high risks. Don't gamble away your life savings on a meme coin with a cute dog. And there you have it, the essential steps to building a crypto portfolio that will have you swimming in digital gold. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my other videos for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next one.